In real estate investing, success often comes from working with others. So in today's video, we're exploring a special team that changed the game. So we're talking about working with attorneys, real estate investors working with attorneys. Now, as I've shown in different videos on adding into our team, from real estate agents, working with other investors, wholesalers, and in today's video, I'm sharing how the benefit of working with attorneys. As a real estate investor, you wanted to add attorney to your team to be successful in your deals that you come across, to solve those problems and help the sellers in those situations. Hey everyone, if you don't know me, my name is Waleed Yousif. I'm a real estate investor here in the Valley. And in today's video, I really wanted to share with you, if you have any situation going on, you're able to go in and reach out to the attorney, whether that's a divorce attorney, probate attorney, or any other attorneys that can help you with maybe liens or judgments. Now, as you may know, as investors, we always look for solving problems. So majority of the time, you'll see that when we reach to sellers, and specifically motivated sellers, they usually have a problem that prevent them from, selling as traditional. That's why sometimes we ask them, what hold you from listing it on the market? And the reason why is because they have a problem that needs to be solved. And us as a real estate investors, that's the opportunity for us to go in and solve these sellers' problems. And so to solve these problems, we need to have equipped with professional of teams, real estate agents, other real estate investors, wholesalers, and in today's video, as we're talking, working with attorneys. Now, before I share with you the benefits, I want to share with you a story that happened literally just a couple of months ago. We had reached out to a seller. This was literally a driving for deals. We drove by the property, we saw that it needs work, and so we left a note, if you're interested in selling, please let us know. We'll be happy to buy in this neighborhood. And so the seller reached out to us, and at the beginning, they told us about just general of the situation. We saw that they tried to sell it before, and fortunately it would fall through within 2 months. It just multiple times they would have it with other investors, they would have it on the market. However, as soon as they find out that there is a huge lien judgment against the property from a huge place, then everyone basically would cancel what they have with the seller and just move on, and basically they would leave them. Now, because we have not come across to that problem before, we're able to network with other attorneys that can help us with this situation, and that's what we're trying to add attorney to our team. So when we have this situation, and that exactly what happened. We got that situation. We reached out to an attorney that we were able to pay from our pocket and to help us with this situation. We worked together with the seller to navigate the situation, the problems, and now to solve that lien and judgment with the lien holder. However, when we came in, we understood that we need to add another person in our team to solve that problem. I'm going to share with you the benefits of working with attorneys. Now, the first benefit of working with attorneys is the stream flow of clients. As real estate investors, we look for distressed properties, things that could be there's a problem in the titles, or there is a situation that's going on, divorce, probate, judgment, lien, and otherwise. And so when we have those problems, now we're able to have those clients get help with the attorneys that we are going to work with, that can help them with the situation and also help us as well in that property. For the attorney, this is the value that we can provide to them, that they would be able to get the stream flow of clients. They don't have to market to those sellers. They don't have to really talk to those sellers. We will take care of that because now we're talking to them. We're reaching out to sellers, or sellers reaching out to us through multiple marketings that we do and that we spend money on, whether that's mail, call, online. So we put the time, we put the efforts into the marketing to reach to distressed sellers or sellers who have those situations that needs help with. And from there, we stream those clients because now we need help of attorneys to help us with that specific situation that we have. Now, the second benefit is referral, right? And that would work both ways. So if we talk about attorneys, so then real estate investors are a great referral business to their business. So again, if we have our, let's say, situation that deals that we're working with, or maybe we know other people that need help with that situation that they're dealing with. Again, could be a probate, could be divorce, could be title issues. And so we are going to refer these sellers or these people to attorneys to help, or perhaps maybe we can also, as I said, we can hire that attorney so it can help us. At the same time too, sometimes because we push for a lot of marketing, we get sometimes sellers, they'll be, okay, I have this problem that I need to solve it. However, I don't need to sell the property. And so for this, we just can refer that to the attorney. For the investors, having to work with attorneys, this is a great referral, because now when that problem is solved, once they solve these problems and those sellers want to sell that property, then that would be a great referral. They can refer that to you to make a cash offer or make other offers to them, or to purchase that property. So it works both ways for the investors and also for the attorneys as well. Now, benefit number 3, specialized knowledge. Now, as attorneys, they are expert at what they do, right? The law, the contracts, the legal stuff, right? They're expert in this field. And as a real estate investors, we're expert in our field, right? And having to make offer on the property, purchase the property, knowing how much is gonna need to fix that property, how much we can exactly buy the property and provide a net number to the sellers. And so this can help, also helping with solving problems that that would require creative real estate investor to help with that problem. And so both are experts on their field. And so when we team up with attorneys, same for attorneys, when they team up with real estate investors, now they're basically combining both industry experts into solving that problem. And so combining both experts into solving problem would really result in high likely and a great solution for win-win for both of them and for the clients that they're serving. Now, benefit number 4 is risk management. Now, pretty much all of those distress situations, they come up with risk involved, right? And the risk that could be legal risk, could be money risk, could be time risk, or could be also other risks that would be involved in that situation. And so obviously as a real estate investors, what we want to do is that we want to mitigate that risk. We want to eliminate that risk. And that's where we can get to work with attorneys to help us mitigate those risks, management those risks. So maybe instead of taking 6 months, if we team up with an attorney that can help us reduce that time and would be like more with the cost effective on going and spending something that we really don't know how to solve it. And so with helping of attorneys, that would obviously have a risk management into it, into the cost, and as well as into the time to it as well. And also this would result on asset protection. So this is also, it's very important things that we need to look into, in not just mitigating that risk, but protection, right? Protection of the asset, protection of that deal that we are working with, or the situation that we're working with. Now, benefit number 5 is network opportunity. This is really great. Like, we have got introduced into other real estate investors. We got introduced into real estate agents from working with attorneys, and that's when it gets to, you know, networking, going to events, going to meetup, to meet those attorneys, and same for attorneys to go to, let's say, real estate meetups to meet real estate investors, so they can basically work as a team. And so networking with attorneys and networking with real estate investors, this is a great benefit that could benefit both parties on this situation. So here you have it, 5 benefits of working with attorneys. So if you are a real estate investor, I encourage you to look and network and work with an attorney in your area to help you solve these problems when occur in your business. And same for attorneys. If you're an attorney here in the Valley, I would love to work with you. Feel free to reach out, call, email, or maybe if you have any question, leave them here in the comment. We'll be happy to network with you and work together on specific deals that we have, so we get to provide solution for clients that we have. And same for you. Let's say if you have clients that need our help as a creative real estate investor, we'll be happy to provide that. So also, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, greatly appreciated. And again, if you have any question, put them in the comment. I have my information in the description box. If you need anything, we'll be happy to answer anything you have. So until next time, this is Waleed Yousif. Take care.